When I begin the process of designing a kitchen, one of the very first decisions that has to be arrived at is the selection of the appliances. So the first thing that I do when I look for an appliance company is to look at the selection of the product that they have. I need a wide selection of products. Obviously I need a high quality product, and I need, from the design point of view, a product which has different finishes, different sizes available, and will look well with the cabinetry that we produce. In this kitchen here, I've used and selected Jenn-Air for that very reason. They've given me a wonderful selection of appliances that are scaled to the cabinetry that's around them. They're good looking, they're very high quality, very efficient as well. In particular, these two refrigerators behind me were really just a great thing to have. I chose the French door refrigerator system. The French door system basically refers to this split door. And as you can see, you have two half-size doors, which are much easier to open. You only need to open one side or the other if you know what's in the door. And more importantly, they don't block the walkway. Stainless steel is typically used a lot in appliances with kitchens. It's a very popular material to use, I think, for a number of reasons. It's a very practical material. It's hard wearing, obviously. We use it a lot with sinks. I like to use it to break up the look. Again, if I look at this kitchen and this design, I don't think that the room would have been as successful if I hadn't have used stainless steel appliances. I particularly like the soft form of these doors. I think that there's something very just sleek about that. We had a choice of either hanging ventilation above this cooking surface, which would have been very difficult given the building and the design of the building, but also visually it would have really blocked off what is a fabulous looking backdrop. So I opted to go with a ventilation system set into the counter, which is known as a downdraft ventilation system. It's wonderful. I mean, it's very powerful. It works. It's sort of unobtrusive visually, and it's very quiet. This Jenn-Air cooktop just gave me that flexibility, so I could design the kitchen the way I wanted to. I've used Jenn-Air for the oven. It's a touch control electric oven, warm air system. It's wonderful. It cooks very fast. It's very efficient. It's a really good size. It builds in very well. Just a great looking piece. And so, you know, this selection of appliances by one company makes a big difference for me. From a design point of view, it actually makes it just a lot easier.